doing a lot of repairs on the boat. And today's going to be our first day out of the season. And it's pretty sweet. Got Mrs. King up on the helm. She is doing great. We're going to be heading north on Kentucky Lake today. We're going to go on up. We're going to find a nice little cove on the land between the lakeside. And we're going to camp out. Probably 2-3 days. So it's going to be fantastic. Weather's nice. Shooting about 75 degrees, 78. Down in the 50s at night. It is going to be sweet. All right, Veronica, you got everything under control?
I do.
Fantastic. So what are you doing?
I am trying to steer the boat.
Yep. And how are you doing?
I think I'm doing good.
Wonderful.
Yes.
So
haven't run over anyone yet.
Haven't ran over anybody. That's always a big plus. Keeping me safe and letting me relax. That's how it should be right there, right? Yeah, well, you better get out of the way. Well, we've got anchored back in this nice little cove. And we got a couple sailboats back here with us, but that's about it. Super nice. Good morning, everybody. It's about 6:20 a.m. Just enjoying the sunrise this morning. Pretty sweet. Got the generator fired up, getting ready to make some breakfast and some good old coffee. And yes, Veronica's supervising me this morning, making sure I cook that breakfast just right. Thought I'd let you guys come along. See what this wonderful morning looks like. Got a nice little sailboat out there. Got some birds singing in the background. It's pretty nice. Had the hatch open last night. There's a super nice breeze coming through there. Actually kind of chilly, about 55 degrees this morning, but super duper nice. Love it. Got the anchor line going out. If you haven't already, check out my YouTube channel. Got a video of how I refinished the teak here. Turned out fantastic. Check out my channel. One more pleasure of owning a boat versus a camper. Pretty sweet. been fantastic. We've been anchored out for 3 complete days, and it's been fantastic. No complaints whatsoever. Got a little boating traffic out there today, but it's really nice. Water is super clear, and it is fantastic. I did install a inverter for the fridge, which I'm gonna do a little bit more adjustment on that, but that's gonna be good to go. And everything else seems to be going very well. So it's been a great 3-day trip out here. The weather's been absolutely wonderful, and probably most important, I've got a few little hiccups I got to take care of. I've got an inverter that I've installed. It's a trip light inverter. I am going to have a video on that, so everybody will be able to kind of see how I installed it, hooked it up, and how I have it routed. So stay tuned to the Jeep Bang Keating channel, because that's going to be one project. And also I have installed a Predator 3500 generator. This boat does have a Westerbeek 8.5 kW generator, which is really big for this size of boat, and I just don't need it. And the Predator 3500 is extremely fuel efficient, and I'm going to be taking the Westerbeek marine generator out. Everything works great on it, runs great, has no issues. It does weigh about 500, and I think it's 547 pounds, so it's going to reduce a lot of weight on the boat. And when I increase my freshwater capacity, it's going to help to kind of take the place of that. So I'm going to have plenty of fresh water on this boat, and everything is working great so far. So we're just enjoying a nice weekend. This is kind of our first trip out, the first trip to kind of get everything kind of lined out and working good. But all in all, it's been really good. My daughter, she's come out and visited us this weekend, and it's been a great little trip. So stay tuned, and we got a lot more stuff coming on. I think everybody's gonna like it. And wait, oh, by the way, we do have a trip coming up this summer. It's gonna be to Alaska, so I'm gonna be videotaping that trip, going to Alaska, my wife and I. And I think y'all are gonna really like it, because I know I am really looking forward to it. And I'm gonna have a nice long video of that. It'll be really cool. So I think you guys will really enjoy it. So anyhow, you know what? Sometimes you go out on your first time out on a trip, you just have to make adjustments. You know, something's not gonna work right, or you know that next time before you come out, you have to make some more adjustments. It's all right. It's just part of it. Let me show you this right here. Right here above my head right here is it is a canvas bimini top, and that's gonna be another project of mine. I'm gonna be getting rid of this altogether, and I'm gonna be building a hard top for that. It's gonna come off directly off of this point right here, and it's gonna be coming straight back, and gonna be coming to the back of the boat, just about where this one is, maybe just a tad bit further out, extend out just a little bit more, and that's gonna be really nice.
See you all next time.